Westinghouse. Here it is. Or a very early Schindler. But I think this is a late Westie. And it is a hot, hot, hot day. Yeah, this is Westinghouse. Very late Westinghouse. Down to B. Huh, that's an interesting way of doing the phone cabinet. Old crappy door operator. This is a very, very early 300A, or an MPH. Look at that old camera. Back down. I don't even know why I've been pointing it at the indicator if it doesn't work. Some water now because I'm thirsty. And use the restroom. That will be it.